All right, and we are at Seaside Heights, New Jersey today. We are going to do the Jersey Pizza Boys.
Jersey Shore Pizza Tour.
Here we are at the Sawmill Pizza down in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. And we're doing the Jersey Pizza Boys.
Jersey Shore Pizza Tour.
And we are going to have the biggest 27-inch pizza that you've ever seen before. That is a staple to the boardwalk here. There it is, boys. Thank you, man. This is what I'm talking about, all right? Let me tell you a story about this pizza. When I was 16, coming down to Seaside Heights, we would come and get one of these slices. Look at this, look at this. One of these slices, that ain't bad. And a fountain orange soda for $1. Is that incredible? But anyway, we are super psyched. Yep, $1. So this is it, boys. Here we go, the moment of truth. I've been telling you about this. I've been excited, right? All right.
Ready?
Together, hold on. Relax.
Ready? Wait a minute.
All right, everybody, like a salute. Salute. There we go, salute. For me, this pizza brings me back to when I had a 32-inch waist and I could walk around the boardwalk with no shirt on, playing the games, hanging out with my friends. It's just a throwback, it's amazing. And the staff here, super friendly, great place. Nothing not to love about this place. It's awesome, awesome. So we're finishing up here at the Sawmill. Pizza was really good, right guys?
Really good.
And just to give you an idea on how big these slices are, it covers our whole head. They're huge. Now listen guys, if you're ever at the Jersey Shore, Seaside Heights, you definitely gotta come to the Sawmill. Really good pizza, you'll be happy.